So this is one of the first fighters supplied by the United States. This is the Uudvar-Hazy Museum in Chantilly, Virginia. And if you ever get a chance, you need to come see this. And that is the famous P-51 Mustang. And that is a Concorde. This is the Enola Gay. This plane is important because it is the plane that dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima at the end of World War II. This is a big boy. The Enola Gay. Look how big the American plane is. Almost like them boys didn't have a chance. So this was the United States bomber in the Pacific during World War II. Big plane. And this was a German bomber in Europe in World War II. Look how small that plane is. Boeing F-5. This is a Corsair from World War II. It's a P-40 from World War II. This is an airplane from World War I, 1908. Hard to believe that we went from this to this in just a little over 80 years. Where are we going to be in another 80 years? This is a German jet, one of the first jets in World War II. Pretty small engine. This is the SR-71. Fast plane. Very fast. And this is the United States Saberjet. And it also flew during the Korean War. This plane and this MiG Chinese jet were both flown during the Korean War, and they were enemies during that war. But I guess we know now that the Saberjet did a little bit better. So this is a Chinese MiG fighter. This is a Chinese MiG-15, first flown in 1947, but it was the fighter aircraft that the Chinese used during the Korean War. This is the A-6 Intruder military jet, and this flew during Vietnam. This is an air-to-air guided missile. This is the Lockheed Martin X-35B.